Hello guys, welcome back to me again, and then now I would like to read the article, but before that don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Wall Street and down as yield rise indexes post weekly loss. New York US stocks fell on Friday in a broad sell-off led by mega caps as US bond yields rose, with the S&P 500 posting loss for the week after 4 straight weeks of gains. Amazon.com, Apple, and Microsoft all fell and were the biggest drags on the S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Higher rates tend to be a negative for tech and growth stock, whose valuation really more heavily on future cash flows. US Treasury yields rose, with the benchmark 10-year not nearly hitting 3%. After Germany reported record high increases in money producer price. Investors have been weighing how aggressive the Federal Reserve may need to be as it raises interest rates to battle inflation. Richmond Federal Reserve President Thomas Berkin said on Friday that the U.S. Central Bank officials have a lot of time still before they need to decide how large an interest rate increase to approve at their September 20 until 21 policy meeting. The rise in rates around the globe and talk from central bankers are being used as an excuse to push stocks lower in very light volume. On an August Friday season, said Peter Cardillo, chief market economist at Spartan Capital Securities in New York. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 292.3 points, or 0.86%, to 33,706.74. The S&P 500 lost 55.26 points, or 1.29%, to 4.228.48, and the Nasdaq Composite dropped 260.30 points, or 201%, to 12,705.22. All three major index registered loss for the week. The S&P 500 fell about 102% and the Nasdaq slid 2.6% in their first weekly declines after 4 weeks of gains. The Dow lost about 0.2% for the week. After notching its worst first half since 1970, the S&P 500 has bounced some 60% from its mid until June low, fueled by stronger than expected corporate earnings and hopes that the economy can avoid a recession even as the Fed hikes rates. Friday's monthly option expirations should also make way for greater near-term stock market moves as option positions expire, said Brian Kotuba, founder of option-focused financial insight company Spot Gamma. The U.S. Central Bank needs to keep raising borrowing costs to tame besides high inflation. A string of U.S. Central Bank officials said on Thursday, even as they debated how fast and how high to lift them. The Fed has raised its benchmark overnight interest rate by 225 basis points since March to fight inflation at a 4-decided hike. Focus next week might be on Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech on the economic outlook at the annual Global Central Bankers Conference in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Meme stock Bed and Beyond INC plunged 40.5% as billionaire investor Ryan Cohen excited the struggling home goods retailer by selling his stake. The S&P Banking Index fell 2.1% after recent gains. Share of their NCO index slightly higher even after it lowered its full-year profit outlook and said it has sold out of loan sectors as it grapples with parts shortages and high costs. Okay guys, thank you for watching me, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.